Hey everyone, Jody from Offroad Adventures. Today we're going to show you our brand new Vantage Lab rear Wolfbox camera washer. This is something you guys will want to check out, so stay tuned. Alright, so some of you guys may be wondering, why have this? Well, here in Arizona, much like the lower rear camera that we've already showed you guys, that Wolfbox camera gets really dusty as well. And I'd say it's probably more susceptible to dust and dirt than the rear factory camera is. It gets cluttered up. You can't really see. I've noticed it several times while here in Arizona. I also noticed it while we were on Trail Hero expeditions with the Team Wolfbox. So, now keep in mind, they are not affiliated with Wolfbox, but they made this product, and I'll be honest with you, it's great. It mounts really secure and easy, and it piggybacks off of the system that we have for the rear camera, so it's a quick and easy install. So we're going to show you how we got that done, and we're going to show you the way it works.
So it comes with a splitter, a cover, so you plug the hose into here, and then it sprays out right here. I don't know if you can see that. It should clear off the Wolfbox camera. So this is not something that's licensed by Wolfbox or created by Wolfbox. They are doing this as more of an accessory. So it comes with hose too. We have some extra leftover hose from last time, plus we have some that we bought with plenty of barbs, a cutting tool, got our trusty gloves, got our lug wrench. We're going to take the lug off as well as a chuck, cold Coke, and some mics so you guys can hear me talk. So hang tight, we're going to get this going.
All right, well, first thing you're going to do is remove the spare tire, and then you need to take this piece off here that the spare tire attaches to the tailgate reinforcement. So we're going to do that real quick. Then we got to unplug the hose from the barb. Now you're going to see me plug it into where you're going to see me unplug it from that white barb. You could probably just cut the hose after that and not have to deal with putting that on there, and just put the splitter on the hose that you just cut and then go from there. So just a little quick tip to save you some time. Another quick note, you do have to unplug the factory rear camera from the wire that goes through there, so you make sure you do that. You don't want to tear that up. Sure, probably have to put the other hose back on, cut a little piece off of it, put the Y, run the other part of the hose back out to the rear camera, and run this part of the hose down through here, because it's going to go way up here where the Wolfbox camera is. Now you can't see that on camera right now, but so let's figure out a way to get this wired down. It shouldn't take us too long here. Hoping at least. Ah, there we go. All right, so I used my cutter. So I'm going to put one end of this on this barb that was previously used. And there may be more than one way of doing this, so if you think it's better to do it another way, by all means, you can do that. So we're going to have to feed that on there to get that on there good and snug, just like we did last time. And then we're going to use this barb. Sorry, I dropped it. This Y barb. I don't know if you can see that or not. We're going to plug this in here. Get it on there really good. Push it in. Push it real good. And then I'm going to put one of the this cable that I ran down through the back here, which will go all the way up past where you can see on the camera, but all the way up to where I got the Wolfbox mounted. Now, if you mount your Wolfbox down here somewhere, you would probably have to wire this a different way, but we're just going based on how we've done it. But this to give you a general idea. So I'm going to just slide this over the barb on this side. Then after that, we just got to hook that other one, the one for the factory camera, back up and put the spare tire plate on. We should be good to go. All right. So here is a spare tire camera wire. And we'll hook this one back up. And then after that, we should be good. All good up in the hood. So what we're going to do, now that we got the barb situated, we got this line that comes all the way up. It's going to come all the way up to here. We'll have more than we need. We're going to put this thing on here. Now I just got to plug this in to this piece to get this to work. It's kind of hard to get it in there because you're not really seeing. You have to kind of, I'm doing like a twisting motion. So it's on there good and snug. So there's going to be a lot of loose wire that's tucked up under here. Just so you know. So if you push and twist, and see I give it a little tug. I don't give it too much of a tug because I don't want to pull it back out. And then we're going to just kind of drape it up here. I'm just going to pull this down through here. Get the slack out of that real quick because you don't want that to be just kind of jostling around back there. Okay, you'll have to move those two little screws in the back. Place this over it and then put the two screws back in. That will keep it secured on the camera. All right, so we're going to try to get this piece that went into the O-barb back on here. Slides on pretty good and pretty easy. And then we're going to connect that back in. We'll make sure it snaps in there. All right. So, kind of tuck all this stuff back in here so it doesn't get pinched. And we're going to start putting this back in. All right, we're looking at the back camera, so we'll see how this thing works from the inside. Takes a couple of seconds to get there, but you can see here, it sure as shit does. So this is a pretty quick and easy install, basically because we piggybacked off the other system. I suppose with the longer hose, you could possibly make it work without a factory camera washer, but I don't know why you'd want to do that. But anyway, we'll post the links below. Thanks to our friends over at Vantage Lab for supplying us with this to test out for them. It does work. They're going to put it on our website very soon. We hope you guys will take advantage of it.